Hello everyone, my name is Bhavish. I'm currently doing my electrical engineering from KIT University. Hope you all are doing good. So today I'll be sharing my interview experience, my Wipro interview experience with all of you. Before starting, I'd like to thank Tech and Target channel. The videos on this channel have helped me a lot to know about the interview process. So the journey began with a test which was conducted by Wipro. The test consisted of aptitude questions, two coding questions, and an essay in which we have to write 400 words on a topic given by them. So the level of test was quite medium. It was not too difficult. Like if one has prepared well, then he or she will definitely crack it. So like my exam was on 3rd of November. After clearing the exam, I got a mail from Wipro on 11th of November for my technical interview round. So the round was conducted on MS Team platform, and the interview was quite friendly. My slot timing was around 10 a.m. in the morning, and my interview lasted around 30 to 35 minutes. So the interview began with a general introduction, like the interview introduced himself to me, and after introducing himself, he asked about my introduction. So so I mentioned where I am from, my CGPA, my personal and professional interests. So this is all I mentioned. So after asking my introduction, he asked me which programming language do I know. So I replied, sir, I know C and C++. So he asked me that rate yourself. So I told Ki, sir, I'll rate myself 8 on 10. Though I know Java and Python, but I didn't mention those languages because I'm not so much confident in them. So here's a tip for all of you that you should only mention those languages which you know very well. So the interviewer now told me to open the notepad and share the screen, and he asked me to write any code. I wrote the code for linear searching. After that, he said, suppose he's a layman, so how will I explain the code to him? So I explained how I declared the variables, how I took a variable for which the number has to be found. I explained the loops, the working of loops, and I also explained about the main function and the complexity of the program. So he said good. After that, he asked me some basic theoretical questions from OOPS concept. Like he asked about abstraction, inheritance, pure virtual functions. So I told everything with example. So here's another tip for you guys. Like if the interview asks about theory questions, like from OOPS concept, then you should definitely give examples with that. That will be a plus one to your interview. So after all this, he asked me about my project. So like I am from electrical background, so don't have any project in CS. So I told that I have done project in my third year on speed control of a single phase induction motor using Arduino. So he told me to explain a bit about it. So I explained how the whole thing is working, how my project is working, how it is, what are its applications and all. So he didn't went deep into that stuff. He didn't ask so much about project. After that, he asked me that what are your least favorite subject in your BTech life. So I replied, sir, like I was weak in electronics, and he asked me how did I overcome with that. I replied to it, and he also asked me that uh, that did you face any problem during your semesters? These were the basic questions that he asked. After that, he asked me why Wipro, why do you want to join Wipro? So I told him like I follow Azim Premji sir a lot. He's my idol. After that, he asked me that do you know about the bond of Wipro? I said yes, sir. I know about the bond. It's for rupees 75,000 for 1 year. And after that, he asked that do you know are you ready for relocation? So I replied, yes, sir, I'm ready for relocation. And by relocating, I'll get chance to explore different cities and meet new people. He said, yeah, yeah, that's good. I like your attitude. I said, thank you, sir. So at the end, he asked me that, do you have any questions for me? So I said that, sir, how's the food at Wipro? So he said that the food at Wipro is good, and during the lunchtime, all the employees have gossip. All the employees gossip with each other. At the end, our interview ended, and he said that yes, now you can leave. And I replied, yes, sir, thank you for the time. Stay safe, take care. So after giving my technical interview on 23rd of November, I got again a mail from Wipro that congratulations, you have cleared your technical round, and today is your HR round. So my slot was at 6 in the evening, and HR round was just for like 8 to 9 minutes. So I joined it. It was again on the MS Team platform. So there was a ma'am on the other side. So just like that, our HR also began with just a basic question, like introduce yourself, what are your hobbies. So I mentioned that I play lawn tennis. So she asked me that how long have you playing it? So I replied, I've been playing for like from past 4 years. So ma'am also asked me that who won the latest French Open 2020. So I replied, yes ma'am, Rafael Nadal. So she said good. She also asked me that, do you know any programming language? So I said yes ma'am, C and C++. So after that, she asked me, describe yourself in one word. So on this question, I just got a bit confused, like what to say. So I said team leader. Then she said, give me a situation where you thought you are a team leader. So like I said that ma'am, me and my friend founded Microsoft Student Advisory Community in our college, and we lead our team and organize different coding events in our campus. So I believe that I have the capability of leading a team. So she said, that's great. I said, ma'am, thank you. After that, she gave me a situational based question. She asked me that suppose you have a conflict with your teammate in Wipro. So how will you overcome with that? So I replied, ma'am, suppose if the conflict is on personal level, then I'll try to resolve it without any violence. And if the conflict is on professional level, then I'll report it to my senior. Then she replied, okay. Then she asked me that, are you ready to relocate? And do you know about the bond? These were the basic questions that were asked in technical round 2. So I replied, yes, ma'am, I'm ready to relocate, and I know about the bond too. Then she at the last asked me, in the end, she asked me that, uh, do you have any questions for me? I asked her that, ma'am, how did you make your way to Wipro as an HR? Then she told ki she has done MBA from top university in India. Then I replied, ma'am, that's great. Then she said, okay, your interview is done. Now you can leave. So I replied, yes, ma'am, thank you for your time, and take care. So, like, you all should have a basic courtesy while leaving the interview. Like, you should say, yes, ma'am, thank you for your time. Yeah, yes, sir, thank you for your time. Stay safe, take care. This is the basic courtesy that you should have. So after giving the technical and HR interview, uh, I got the message from TNP of my college that I have been placed in Wipro on 15th of December. So this is how my journey was like for my Wipro selection. So in the end, I'll like to thank once again thank Tech and Target channel which has helped a lot to prepare for interview. And I'll also recommend you guys, like, before going for interview, you should definitely watch the videos. They are very helpful. So that's all. Thank you guys. Have a great career ahead. Thank you.